Hello students, welcome back. So in this lecture we will go towards the for finding the polarity across different passive elements. So in other lectures we have solved some questions related to the current or voltage drop across many circuit elements. Now we will dive into the details of the polarity of different circuit elements, because it is the main hurdle for many students in finding the correct value of current and voltages, and they cannot even note the correct value of polarity to any passive elements. So to find out the value of the polarity of different circuit elements, let us have a very simple circuit in which we have a simple resistor and the voltage source. The value of the resistor is, let's say, R, and R is 1 ohm. Similarly, the voltage source is V of S, and it is, let's say, 10 volts. So in order to find the value of current here, we can see that the value of current is, let's say, I of R. So in order to find the value of current here, we can first of all consider the direction of the current. So let us choose the color of our current. So this is I of R, and here we have chosen its direction is clockwise. Okay, this is the direction and for it I will try to solve it. So here, in order to find out the value of current, we have a very known law which is called Kirchhoff's voltage law, which states that in any loop the sum of the all voltage rises is equal to the sum of all voltage drops. Now the basic question is, what is meant by the voltage drop and what is meant by the voltage rise? So using our demonstration here, and to find out the value of voltage rise and what is meant by the voltage rise and voltage drop, so let us have a table here. Let me draw a table here. This is a very simple table. Let us have it here, and okay, so this is the table. Let me call rise, and this is the voltage drop. So the terminal where the current enters and current leaves. Okay, so when in the element the current is entering through the negative and leaving the element through positive, this is called, let us have another column here, and this is in, let's say this, sorry, let me make it again because it is not looking that much good. So okay, so this is called the voltage rise here. Voltage always rises for the power sources or voltage sources, current sources. For these are the voltage rising devices. Similarly, the elements where the current enters at the positive terminal and leaves at negative terminal, so this is called voltage drop, and it occurs for all the passive or active elements. Both the elements are included. Okay, let me rebuild it again. Okay, so not only the sources which are the active elements across which it occurs. So the voltage rise occurs always for the active elements, while it drops across passive or sometimes across active elements. So this is basically the table which shows us the concept of voltage rise and voltage drop, and for it we should always have the polarity across all our elements. So this is the overall concept. This table is very important and it will be very handy for our upcoming lectures. So it was the basic concepts, and please try to grasp all the concepts which are mentioned here. Thank you so much, and I'll see you.